Good morning, June 3rd, 2019, from my Kingston sewing room. This is Joy. I have an idea, a suggestion. You can take it or leave it or ignore it or whatever. But you know, this is Kingston where I have horrible, very slow internet. So my lightning fast mind this morning, remember that I have a blog. A blog is not a video to you guys, it's handwritten. And I can put other people's videos in there and you can look them up and watch them. I can't. Watch them very slowly and watch the little thing go around and around and around. So, I have promised you guys giveaway of this quilt here. Okay, the quilt is backed and it's getting ready to get a binding on it. And as soon as I get the binding on it, I am going to give it away. And that will probably be today or tomorrow. So, I know that there is a vlog, which means a video, that talks about this quilt and me wanting to give it away. But, forget all about that video. I don't even know which one it was now. If you told me over there that you wanted it, I don't know it. I forgot it. I've slept 10 times since then. So I'm going to my blog. Here it is. I need a pointer. Hey, do you guys have one of these things? Oh my gosh, they are so cool. This is a rolling ruler. Look at that. It is just awesome. Anyway, I'll use it for a pointer. Here is Joy's blog. Hopefully this shows up good enough. I don't know about the angle. I'll edit it, and if it doesn't, I'll do it again. You'll go to www.joyful- don't forget the dash. joyful-expressions.blogspot.com. That's my blog. Becky always talks about her blog. Hers is Power Tools with Thread. But neither one of us blogs much anymore because we love doing videos better. But since I can't make the kind of videos that I want to tell you guys stuff and show you guys stuff, I'm going to go back to my blog until this tower gets put up. The tower is going to be put in on a mystery date that nobody seems to know, so I don't know, I may end up running away back to Edmond again before it gets put up. Alright, you remember I'm going to give away not only that quilt, I need a name for that quilt. I don't have one yet. You guys might want to name it yourself. I'm giving away this pattern, remember? This is Simplicity 8925. 8925, it's the crisscross dress, blouse, cute skirt, and pants. Line drawings on the back. Go to Simplicity and look it up if you need to see more than that, because I can't take up very much time here. Here's the number right here. S8925. I'm giving it away. But if you are overseas, I'm not going to send it there because the freight is just way too expensive. You guys could buy the pattern for half of what the freight would cost. I think. I'll check on it, but I think. Anyway, hold on, I threw my pointer. Anyway, if you will leave a comment on my blog, start your comment with S8925. Because if I get 50 comments, there may just be 10 that want the pattern. There may just be 10 people that want the pattern. So if you want the pattern, start your comment with S8925. I'll go through and I'll pick all of those out and write down your address, your internet address. And then I will contact you, okay, about sending you this pattern. Same with the quilt, but I'm not ready with the quilt yet. So it's pattern only for now. When you read my blog, it'll be easy to tell what I'm giving away, okay? Then, I was asked by one of you to tell you what vlogs I watch. And I watched some really good ones. I watched one the other day. I was just amazed. I don't know why any of you watch me at all. At all. I have no idea why anybody would want to watch me. I found this little girl. She's American. And she has a blog. She's had one for quite a while. And she's young, and she's got a perfect body, and she sews, and she loves to teach. And if you go there, you'll never come back to me again. You can learn all kinds of things over there. You already know about Brittany, and I'm not even sure what this girl's name is. I gotta find her again. I just found her recently. Then I watch these other vlogs that are about styling, stylist, how to wear your clothes to make you look younger when you're an old lady like me, things like that. So anyway, I also will talk about the vlogs I watch on my blog. A vlog is videos. A vlog, I don't know what the B stands for, biography or something. A vlog is written, all right? So, I think that's all I wanted to tell you this morning is I'm going to quit making videos for now because they have to be super, super short. This one's probably too long already, so I've got to cut it off quickly. This is an insert. I almost forgot to tell you guys. You remember my friendship trauma that I've been so sad about? I went to her house and I groveled and I begged. I asked her to please, 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 please forgive me. So anyway, we're all made up and we hugged and everything is better. So I'm just gonna have to change me in the future. You know, friendships are like marriages and you have to compromise because you're not the same. I mean, if you're married to somebody and you two are exactly the same, I'm surprised you're married. But I'm just going to have to know from now on for the rest of my life that if I do anything with this friend, I'm just going to have to get extreme detailed information as to when and where and how and why and all of that stuff. So I don't make assumptions. So I'm willing to do that because I love this person very much. Anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know that because you were so wonderful and you left such sweet comments and you prayed. And then God heard your prayers and He helped me know what to do to get it fixed. So, I just wanted to tell you all that. Until I get back with fast internet, either here or Edmond, I'm going to say goodbye, my friends, for now. And I'll see you over there at my blog. Bye.